Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 25th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 20 points down move at the level of 11,716. Yes, of course, Indian markets gave a lot of up move yesterday, 159 points up on Nifty. So Indian markets have delivered great blast yesterday. Dow Jones is down by 59 points, and Nasdaq is down by 18.807 points, S&P is down by 6.43 points, and US markets, so seeing the US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in flat or negative in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have delivered a blast. As I told you yesterday, MACD is at the level of 105.14, 126.91 is the exponential, which means that the MACD is actually showing that the momentum is picking up as of now, and there was almost 159 points up move yesterday at the end of the day yesterday, and we almost will again touch the level of 11,760, which is the all-time high. Because of the time constraint, the market could not go any further. That's about it. Alright, so having said that, fast stochastic already shows 27 points, so it is almost near the oversold zone, so we may go up is what slow stochastic is showing. Fast stochastic has developed quite a lot. Fast stochastic was yesterday at 19 and today at 57.66, so we are not in an oversold zone yet. In fast stochastic we have moved upwards from there. So what are the levels of support and resistances we have to watch out for in today's session? 11,726 is where we have actually stalled. The supports comes at 11,700, 11,686 levels, and 11,672 levels, 11,648, and 11,605, 11,600, and 11,572 levels, and the levels of 11,553 and 11,500 itself are the supports we have to watch out for. And as the resistances, not much of resistances we can watch out for. 11,735 to 738 levels, 11,760 levels, 11,781 levels, and the all-time high Indian markets have actually scaled up to, that is 11,856 levels are the levels of resistance we had to watch out for. So that is the technical analysis for today. If you want all this technical knowledge for today and forever, you will make money on a daily basis. There will be 3 strategies plus 1 strategy which I'll be teaching in the intraday options trading course. If you want all those techniques, click on the first link in the description below. I will teach you 4 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.